Welcome to the NASCAR Domino's Cup Series, Race 7, Season 1. We're at the Daytona. Coke Zero Sugar 400. The Daytona 500 is the championship finale. I'll get more cars here soon. Here's your starting lineup. First row, we got Joey Logano and Kevin Harvick. Joey Logano is your pole sitter. Row 2, we got Clint Bowyer and Ryan Blaney. Row 3, we got Eric Almirola and Daniel Hemrick. Fourth row, we got Kyle Larson and Jimmy Johnson. Jimmy Johnson's been struggling. Row 5, we got Brad Keselowski and Michael McDowell. Row 6, we got Ricky Stenhouse Jr. and Brian Preece. Row 7, we got William Byron and Denny Hamlin. Sorry it took so long. And final row, we got Austin Dillon. Here's your running up for the field. 4 laps. And watch out, can drivers avoid the big one. Here we go. Green flag in the air. Oh, Joey Logano, hard in the roll. He misses the shift and more cars piling in. What happened? What in the world happened? Here's an instant real replay. Oh, Joe Logano misses a shift and hits by the nose of Clint Bowyer. And few cars made it through. And a big hit by Jimmy Johnson into Logano. And McDowell has nowhere to go. Neither of those drivers fight. Ryan Preece is going to make it through. But he got bumped by McDowell. What a hard crash for them two. Big hit by McDowell too. And a hard hit on the driver's door by Ricky Stenhouse Jr. Green flag back in the air. Harvick gets the early lead. Oh, they're blocking bumpers. You can't do that. He gets a bump by Ryan Preece. Oh, Harvick loses it. White flag in the air. Spot by credit one blank. Ryan Williams to the lead. Oh, Harvick hard in the wall, up in the air, and hard hit by Denny Hamlin. What in the world happened? Here is an instant replay. Oh, he got bumped by Ryan Preece and head on to that wall. Watch this. Up in the air on his side. Back on 4 wheels, and he gets hit by Denny Hamlin. Hard hit by Denny Hamlin. And Harvick back on his 4 wheels. And a wild finish at Daytona. And here is your winner. Ryan Blaney wins at Daytona. First time ever in the Domino's Cup Series. We'll see you later. And congrats to Ryan Blaney. Like and subscribe.